Back with some more battery banks here for charging devices and stuff. I saw something like this, but it was much smaller and much more expensive in the Dallas airport, I believe, when I had to go to Dallas somewhat recently for an Ultra Human factory tour. That's that ring right there. And I just thought this was the neatest thing. And they were in just like a vending machine. But then I saw these on Amazon and I was like, these are much more affordable than those ones I saw in the airport because you're not paying the airport tax. I just thought I'd check them out because they're kind of cool. And I bought a 3-pack because they just seem really handy. You could leave it in this case or just throw it in your pocket. And I think they're going to be pretty cool. Now, what I like about these are the FuelRod, is they're just really compact. Let me see if I can get this off with one hand. Yeah. And they come with a bunch of cables and connectors. And there's something satisfying about that. It's like a big battery. Like it just looks like a big battery cell. I mean, technically it is. These are 3,200 milliamp hours each. Nice little top up. You're obviously not going to charge like a whole tablet or something with these. If you just want something that'll fit in your purse or your pocket, or even your backpack, keep it in the plastic thing, because you probably will get some lint in there. You have to like pick it out. But if you just kept it in a little plastic thing, it's great. Or had a pocket just for these that didn't generate a bunch of lint, like not your pants pocket or something. It'd just be awesome. And you get, you know, the USB-C to USB, gosh, guys, I always forget if it's micro or mini. It's here on my Zoleo. It's the one that looks like a really small version of an HDMI cable, that connector. This is the only thing I have other than my Kindle that still uses that. So it's really nice to have that as an option. You also have a USB-C to C and a USB-C to Lightning. My wife's iPhone still uses Lightning. She keeps phones for like 5 or 6 years. So it's handy for that because she can take these with her. And then you have the USB-C to USB-A female, which is really nice. And then you have the USB-C on the device itself. You have a little button there that shows you the battery status. And I liked it, it's the green. A lot of times people use blue. The human eye sees the green a lot better. So it's nice because you can just do it and it seems super bright, even though it's using the same amount of power. These were pre-charged to about 75-80% when I got them. They were on 3 dots at least, so somewhere above 75% theoretically, which was nice because then you can just grab it and use it and go. It might be better for the battery chemistry if they were more at like 60%, if these are going to sit around for a long time, but they're probably not. These are probably getting purchased pretty quick. Supposedly they have these FuelRod kiosks places, I assume in places like airports. I think you're able to go and scan that barcode, deposit it, and then they give you another one that's charged already. So if you're traveling, that is pretty cool. And it even says that right there, the swappable power. These may have actually been the ones I saw in the airport, except they were just selling them in a vending machine and didn't have like one of these kiosks. If you're a traveler, that is really cool. But enough talking about it. Let's actually check it out here. I've been meaning to charge this thing for like 2 months. It's always in my pocket. But what good is it if it isn't charged? There we go. It is charging. And there's your lights. So we'll go ahead and move this over here to the side and let it keep charging. We have my wife's tablet here. Let's see what the battery level is at. Oh, we're at 41%. Cool. So we will get another one open here. Get the cables out. I think this is the one I repacked. And I kind of just jammed everything in there, so it was a little tricky to get out. We want USB-C to C, so there we go. No, yep, that's C to C. And see, this one's also almost at 5. I did top them up myself. We will find the USB port here. Now this wouldn't charge the whole tablet. The whole tablet has like a battery 3 times bigger than this. It's at 41%. And the tablet says it's going to have 2 hours and 37 minutes until full. Try to get that on the screen there for you. Man, I need to clean this for my wife. Got a bunch of popcorn or something on it. Where is the button? Button, who's got the button? Isn't that what Gene Wilder said when he was Wonka? There it is, it's over there. 2 hours, 36 minutes till full, 41%. And I can get that light there for you. We are charging. I just like this little concept. And the fact that you can go to one of these kiosks, scan that QR code or whatever, and you've got a charged battery and you don't have to worry about, oh man, where do I charge this? Another thing I like about these is I would never in an airport plug my phone into one of those charging cables that's just around. You can actually go online and buy USB-C cables that have little tiny chips in there that allow people to do malicious things. I would have no qualms or reservations whatsoever about plugging the USB battery into one of those cables. So I could let that charge up if I had used it. Then when I get on the plane or whatever, plug this into my phone or my device and let it do its thing. And then obviously these are small enough that they are TSA approved. You're gonna be able to take them on an airplane. Not a problem. And I really, really like that. You even get like an instant credit here. You can scan the QR code if someone wants to steal that one. There you go. And you can swap for a fully charged rod or replace a damaged rod. You can also get a discount there to purchase a new kit. But it's just, you know, it's pretty cool. And I imagine if you go into their app on the App Store or the Google Play Store, then you'll be able to find, you know, kiosks and everything. I'll have a link to these fuel rods. They're pretty cool. I think it's really neat. And I like that I can throw one of these in my pants pocket or my shirt pocket, and it's not gonna like weigh my pants down, weigh my shirt down. And then I've got a little bit of extra power, especially for something like that. Just one more quick thing. I went ahead and plugged the tablet into my GAN charger, and it's gonna take an hour and 36 minutes even on the GAN charger. So you're getting pretty decent output on these. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.